doing all right out there this evening? Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. I already had to set my voltage. Alright guys, we got a Palomar 450, 41446s. Belonged to a customer of mine, he sent in to me with the power wires cut off of it. I put new power wires on it, a grommet. Pulled the transistors out, checked them all. They were good. Went through and found some bad capacitors, bad capacitors, and changed them out and fixed them up. We'll start out looking straight through SWR like we do. Straight through SWR. Hello, worldwide, zero, just about, a little bit, but that's in the relay circuitry on the box. Ain't a whole lot I can do about that, but it's good. 1, 2, 3 is good enough. Turn him on. Let's see, we're on high power. High power, worldwide. 415 and some change. 425, radio drive. Getting on down. Audio. On low power. Low 380, 384, get on down. Get on down. The input SWR is good. Sit over the right meter. Hello. Go over and look at the bird. Output SWR is good. Bird, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 400 on the bird. I ain't even thought about checking the preamp. Don't know if it works or not. If it don't, I probably won't fix it, but we'll see if it works. Let's get on that colossal outdoor dummy load. Change coaxes. Back on high power. The preamp don't work, which I didn't really think it would. We'll probably fix it, but it'll probably just go out again. Most of these did that, so I'll probably just leave it alone. They just bring in more noise anyway. Let's see if it start working when the key is. No, it's gone. Alright. So the output is on the colossal outdoor dummy load. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. 420, getting on down. Break. Getting on down. There she is. Palomar 450 is fixed. It's up and going. That's about it, guys. A lot better than what it was. It was going to waste. Alright, guys. Y'all take care. I might throw a transistor in that preamp real quick. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already, guys. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care.